Iffah. Today we are going to draw some famous cartoon characters like Doraemon, Hello Kitty, etc. The materials required are wax crayons, color pencils, sketch pens, as usual a pencil and a rubber, and to draw we use a drawing book. So let's start. So next we are going to draw a Dora. Okay, next dress. It's too easy to draw this.
Here we go.
Okay, now let's border it. Okay, now let's color it. I'm going to use the color pencils. Okay, we're going to use the dark brown for the hair. Okay, we finished the hair, and next the face, peach color. Okay, we want brown color to color her eyes, and next red color for her mouth, tongue, and next is her dress, pink color. Okay, and next orange. Okay. Let's also. Next is her bag, blue color. And here our Dora is done. Now let's draw a Hello Kitty. A flower. Eyes. Nose. And now we have finished our drawing. Now let's border it with a black sketch. Okay, we finished the bordering. Now let's color it with the wax crayons. Okay, first you should take the pink color, color it with this dress.
hands, and next this bow, and next we can take this yellow color and color this nose. Here our Hello Kitty is ready.
Wow, now it looks too cute. So it's time to wind up our video. We will upload the next part soon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.